All right, Justin, for your circumference measurement, all right, for your ab, I got 86. My first measurement, I got 86, and it was 84.5. I divided that, and I got the average of 85. All right, for your arm, I got the first measure I got was 29.5, and the second one was 29.5, and of course, because it's the same, 29.5. For your buttocks and hip, the first measurement was 102.5, and my second measure was the same, so your buttock measurement was 102.5. Your calf was 35, and the second one was 35, and so your average was 35 in that. For your forearm, it was 20. The first measurement was 27.5, and your next measurement was 28. On average, it was 27.7. For your hip thigh, it was 55.5, and also the second measurement was 55.5, and I got 55.5 for the average. And for the mid thigh, I got 49, and then my second measure was 48.5. I got that. Your average was 48.7. And your waist was 83 for the first measurement, and your second measurement was 83.5, and for that I got 83.2. All right, and then I got your waist to hip ratio, which your waist was 83.7, as you see up top, and then your hip was 102.5, which equals to 81. All right, that puts you on a low risk, and so that's great. Okay, for your skin fold, all right, that for the abdominal region, I got 29 and 29, which is 29 for two measurements. 23 and 23, which ended up 23. 7 for the first one, 7 for the second one, which was 7. 11, 11, first and second, which was 11. 18, 18, as you see. 14, 14, ended up being 14. 19, 19, which ended up being 19. And 15, 15, which ended up being 15.
And
50.
those three were for the mid-ax, the subscap, and the sacroiliac?
Yeah, mm-hmm.
Okay, cool.
And 15 and 13, which ended up 14. And what I did for those numbers, I divided those, got the total of them, and then I divided them by 7. And I got 17. You got your body fat percentage was 17%.
Okay.
And which is great. And then the 3 site was 18%.
Okay.
So got those. Let's see here, and I have a little chart here to show you a little bit more. Once again, you know, because your skin fold was 17%, it puts you on the fear.
Okay.
So you was in fear, which is okay. It's always room for improvement.
Yeah.
Your abdominal girth was 85, which puts you on a low risk. So you know that's always good too.
Yeah.
Your BMI also. So I got your BMI here. And so how I got your BMI was I got your body weight and height. So for your height, I got that in centimeters, and which was 76, and then I got your and then I times that by 76 times 2.540 meters, which ended up 193 centimeters. Well, I actually got your height in inches.
Okay.
Inches, not in centimeters. So 76 inches times 2.540 meters, which equals 193 centimeters. And then I got your I actually round that up to 1.93, and I squared that, and in which ended up 3.72. And of course, you know your height in inches, 76. I divided that by 3.72, which equals 20 BMI. So your BMI is 20. And with that, of course, as you know, it's low. I mean, it's pretty good, normal, which is great. So we just keep moving up from there, and we'll keep seeing progress. And from moving on, man, the key right now is just making sure that you still eat a well-balanced diet, you exercise regularly. If just make sure you take care of your body. Eat a lot of good food. Stay away from fast food restaurants if you can. Eat fruits and vegetables, and you should be good moving on. But everything looks good. We just keep moving on from here.
Thank you, Dr.
Yep.
D.
Yep.